Guys, what's up? We're at part 2 of Disney water parks. We're at Blizzard Beach, and the whole backstory of this water park is that it's kind of like a big snowstorm. It's all snowed over, but it's still sunny. You can see the wave pool right here. That's the huge water slide right there. It's a huge water slide. It's pretty crazy. It's intense. You go straight down. I mean, straight down. I'm gonna go see. We're gonna go check out the lines right now. For these three over here. These are all three on the mountain. I'm gonna try and see. Earlier they were really long. They said 15 minutes for the two, but they were not 15 minutes. I'm gonna tell you that right now. They were not 15 minutes. It's a nice view of the wave pool. This wave pool is a lot more relaxing than the Typhoon Lagoon one. They give you the tubes. It's not that heavy of a wave, which is kind of, you know, peacefully casual. The waves are really little and tiny. Here we go! Here we go! Okay. Here we go. That was pretty cool. So we were actually able to film. I'm not sure if you hide it or they shouldn't see, or they just don't care. I'm not sure. But there we go. Some good footage right there. Let me show you how this mechanism works. How you twist your little toboggan up into this thing. Show you this one, it's going to take probably way too long to get up there. Show you how this mechanism works. So basically, later guys! Hey guys, what we're going to do right now is we're going to go on a little tour at the Blizzard Beach. What we're really going to do is we're going to go over and check the line for Summit Plummet, and we're going to show you the ways to get up there. You might not necessarily go up to Summit Plummet, but I'm going to show you that you do not have to get on the ski lifts to go to Summit Plummet. There's a much quicker, efficient way if you want to experience the ski lift. That's good. So I want to give a shout out to all those who watched all our Pandora videos. I really appreciate that. That's crazy. I think right now we're at 300 something views. I forgot now, but we have a lot of views on it, and I really appreciate that. And I also really appreciate everybody who subscribed. We're up to 19 subscribers, which I think is pretty good for considering we only started about a month ago. So, no, I'm just waiting for that one more subscriber, and we'll have 20, and that'll be a big milestone for me. Small, but big milestone. You can see Mount White Bay right here. You can rent these. I'm gonna show you in a second. You can rent cabanas here. No place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. You see the private cabanas right up here. If there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow. You see, got here 14. Good night. You can see this is the little kid there, go over here. I'm just so bummed out. This is awesome thing over here. It's really cool. It's what do you call this thing? A zip line. It was a zip line. I only got on it once in my life. When I came, the next time I came here, they told me I was too tall to get on it. That's what they told me. Too tall. I mean, seriously, man. I mean, why is that even meant for little kids? I mean, it's a zip line. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna show you the more efficient thing. You can see the ski lifts right here. I'm sorry I'm not able to get on this today. I'm pretty sorry about that. It's just that, I mean, it's a little long. I mean, I don't want to waste time, you know. But I should some views of the ski lift. 41. I'm not sure if that's the minute or something. You can see how tall Summit Plummet is. It's really tall. Let's see one of the I don't know, I guess you call it a kiddie slide right here. Tubes. I'm not sure if there's a height limit on that thing. I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure. But there could be though. I'm not sure though. Okay, we're gonna show you the more efficient way of getting up Summit Plummet. You don't have to wait in lines. You don't have to do anything like that. You see that guy coming down right there? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Hopefully, we are able to get on it today. I'm not entirely sure we're gonna be able to get on it today, because it's always long. Okay, you can see the wait times right here. So that's still going up, whether or not we're gonna get on or not. Okay, Summit Plummet's 15 minutes. You know what? We're gonna go for it. We're gonna try. See, this is the more efficient way to get up Summit Plummet. If you think the ski lifts are the only way up, you're wrong. This is another more efficient way up where you don't have to wait in lines. You can just run. Ah! Got off right there. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just got a photo pass. That was pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. That was crazy. That was Summit Plummet right there. Really tough, really tall, really crazy. Getting nerve-wracking. Going up that thing, it's like nerve-wracking going down. So well, yeah, that's a wrap for Summit Plummet. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We're gonna show you some other stuff around Blizzard. Here we guys go, Lazy River. Just gonna float peacefully through the river. Hey guys, what's up? We're on some vlogging screens right now. Here we go. Whoa! Ah, curves. This goes pretty fast. Smart. Giant raft, I think it fits him out. Fits him out. 5 people. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's a wrap for the Black Springs. Hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, what's up? We're going to show you a bit of the wave pool. Got my inner tube here. Pretty good wave pool. Water can still get choppy, but you're not getting these huge waves. Here we are out in the choppy area. So it's choppy. Probably get some underwater footage too. The dives down there. Word of warning, don't wear your master band getting in any of the slides in the water because it's just going to fall off. I remember getting off at T-Hall Falls, I forgot what it's called now, I'm pretty sure it's T-Hall Falls. Anyway, I got off it and I've seen these 2 magic bands in here. I've lost my magic band before too, so do not wear your magic bands for getting in the pool or on the slides. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, they're going to fall off and it's not going to be good. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. I highly suggest you don't do it. You don't, okay? Word of warning. Don't do it. Some views rock formation here with snow on it. Some waterfalls. So now it gets a little chubby. There we go. The waterfall. Yeah.
Basically?
Yeah, basically,
Is
yeah.
it gonna be on YouTube?
Yep.
Oh, can we hang out, eh?
What?
Can it?
Oh, sure.
Alright!
Oh, slice of life. Yeah. Yep. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to post this today. I probably will. We want to. Okay, we won't. If you can't find it, one of the easier things to do, if you put in Slice of Life Extravaganza, that's probably one of the most popular videos. It should come up. Well, guys, I think our day here is just coming to an end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and you have a good day. We'll be ending the video here when we get to the exit. There's a beautiful view of Summit Plummet.